繼續2025方規第4條。A large clock facing upward is placed horizontally. Placed horizontally 咧，即係冇 gravity 影響啦。而家好啦，table a small piece of plastic thin keel rests on a rotating second hand. OK， 咁我翻啲 angular speed of 個 second hand 秒針。咁咧，我哋秒針啊嘛，咁行一圈要幾耐咧？咁秒針行一圈咪60秒咯。一個圈一個 lap 等於60秒咁耐。period 係60。咁我哋就已經計到噶啦。omega 係等於2 pi over period 㗎嘛，咁咪等於2 pi over 60咯。咁我哋撳一撳機，2 pi over 60，咁啊計到啦，0.105 radian s 負一，咁啊計完啦。part B。咁咧佢就 show 咗個 sine wheel 出嚟啦。咁咧就叫我哋畫翻個 free body diagram。咁有一個 normal direction 有個 weight 啦。咁咧由於佢而家係識轉噶嘛，嚿嘢識轉嘅，咁就係 circular motion 啦。circular motion 即係我哋要諗 centripetal force 啦。centripetal force centripetal 咁簡單嚟講，中文就係向心力啦。咁向心啊嘛，咁講到明向心咁咪指向個心咪搞掂咯。咁我哋計咩啊 ？fraction 基本上就係咁樣嘅啫。咁記得串啱個字啦。part C。咁 Ceiling claims that the centripetal force required to kill becomes smaller if 佢係 placed closer。咁我哋咧要解釋呢啲題目，佢啱唔啱咧？我哋首先諗係啲咩式啱用先。由於咧佢 part A 嗰陣時係叫你計 omega 嘅，咁我哋當然要繼續用 omega 啦。冇理由佢叫我哋揾完，跟住我哋真係用 V 嘅式，即係 mv square over r 嘅式咁蠢噶嘛。我哋揾 mrw 以前 mromega square 啦。好啊，咁既然你個 mass 冇變，你 provide 到嘅 force 都冇變㗎啦 suppose， 即係 I mean 你個係咯，你個 W 都冇變，即係 given that 你 M 同埋 omega 兩個都係 constant， 咁你個 F 咪直接係正比你個 R。當你個 R 下降嘅時候，你需要嘅 centripetal force 咪越細咯，係咪？咁所以你個解釋就係 because mass and angular speed of Q remain unchanged. Required 嘅 centripetal force is depend on radius。咁咧smaller radius gives smaller 嘅 centripetal force。centripetal force。咁所以咧，我哋再搭埋你agree 啊咁樣，所以 so his claim is justified， 或者 his claim is correct 咁樣都 OK 噶啦。